Hey guys, I'm Steve from Proformance Unlimited. Thank you for checking in. Today for you on the stand here, we happen to have one of our LS7 441 cubic inch engine builds. Just want to go over this new series engine with you guys on the video here. We can pretty much do mild to wild with these builds. This happens to be one of our special application builds. Guy requested a high amounts of torque at a low RPM. I believe we achieved it for him. That's why we chose to go with the aluminum block for reduced weight. Did the 441 cubic inch design with the FiTech EFI on here. Came out really sweet. Matt, I'll have you turn around here a little bit here and check out this beautiful LS3. This happens to be one of our LS3 416 cubic inch models. We're just finishing up here for this customer. Some people want them completely painted or raw, as you were seeing on the 441. Again, what you come to us here for is custom design and custom building. You know, if you want your motor pink, we can do so. If you want it purple, this gentleman chose to go with the red. It's awesome looking to match the car. The gentleman with the special build wanted the all aluminum natural look. Whether you guys want coil packs overhanging over the valve covers for the more late model look, or the way I typically design them here, which is coil packs relocated to keep it nice and clean, we can definitely do that for you. Let's take a look back over this motor so I can explain that to you. This thing looks awesome, where you can see the valve covers straight out in front of you. We've done a few with the plastic style manifolds where we mount the coil packs on top for the later model looks. These two motors here that you happen to see here are designed to go in the early hot rods. But if you have a late model vehicle like a Camaro or a Corvette and want to up the horsepower in it, we can definitely do that for you. Now, if you have any questions on these builds, feel free to give me a call at any time. Phone number here is 800-267-3940, or you can always check us out on the web at proformanceunlimited.com. Let's take you over to Don and run of this beautiful 441 stroker. I think you guys will be highly impressed.
Okay, another one of our custom built LS engines, 441 cubic inches. This one we're trying to keep the power band a little lower, specialty use.